Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Cenntro Electric Group. Used to be ticker NAKD. It just changed to CENN. And I'll show you on some of the platforms. Totally haven't even got it updated yet. But they did do a ticker change. So what used to be NAKD, Naked Brands, is now Cenntro Electric Group Limited, ticker CENN. Here's a look at over the last year. It was in the $6 range, ran up to $24.75 back in January 29th. Ever since then, it's just been coming down. About 62% over the last year, down over 72, almost 73% in the last 3 months, down over 63% in the last month. In the last week, it's down over 28%, and here's a look at what it's doing today. It's actually up 4.79%. I have a cost basis of $17.04, 8 shares. I'll show you why that is here in a moment. But Cenntro Electric Group is an EV technology company that designs, manufactures electric light and medium-duty commercial vehicles. The company's ECVs are designed to serve a variety of corporate and governmental organizations in support of city services. Founded in 2017, a volume of 6.55 million, average volume of 6.8 million, with a $1.21 million market cap. 52-week low of $2.60, high of $51. Here you can see what really screwed me on the deal. I had 110 shares of Naked, and now I have 7. So for every 15 I had, I now have 1 share. They did a reverse split, as you can see. So no earnings on this one posted yet, so and nothing here on Microsoft Bing. Cenntro Electric Group guides 25.3 million in top line growth for 2021 with more than 1,500 vehicle sales. So the marketing officer tells Proactive and Freehold, New Jersey-based electric vehicle manufacturer, which recently merged with lingerie group Naked Brand Group, ticker NAKD, has given 2021 financial guidance of $25.3 million with more than 1,500 vehicle sales. What's more, McElhenry says the group is ramping up quickly, expecting to meet its goal of selling around 21,000 vehicles in 2022, forecasting top-line growth of $506 million. The group is in the process of scaling its production capability in the United States and in Europe. Market cap of Cenntro Electric reaches 235.94. Now what? This is dated just a couple days ago. So they had a loss of 1.42 on last trading day, reaching $3.47 price per share at the time. The company report on January 7, 2022 that Cenntro Electric Group unveils its iChassis autonomous driving vehicle at CES 2022. The feature of commercial autonomous driving applications for last mile delivery and municipal services to be launched in the first quarter of 2023. Company receives a strong interest from multiple national chains across food and beverage and parcel delivery services. Cenntro Electric Group Limited represents 68 million in outstanding shares, while the company has a total market value of $235.94 million with the latest information. Naked stock price has been found in the range of $3.36 to $3.70. We'll just call it 72 cents. And compared with the average trading volume of 4.47 million shares, Naked reached a trading volume of, in the most recent trading day. So volume has been up on this one. And so definitely one to watch. Here's a performance analysis. We'll kind of go over some ratings more here at the end. Why Cenntro Electric stock is plummeting today, and this is just dated yesterday. So shares were down roughly 13%. Company, which was previously known as Naked Brand Group prior to the recent combination with Cenntro, has seen volatile trading since the combination and pivot to the electric vehicle space. Cenntro Electric stock fell after the company published a 13D filing with the SEC outlining ownership stakes in the company and previously unknown lockup period for a substantial portion of the company's outstanding shares. In addition to the impact from the filing, growth-dependent stocks are seeing rocky trading in today's session, with NASDAQ Composite Index down roughly 1.5% as of 1:45 Eastern Time. So Naked Brand's core business used to be selling lingerie, swimwear, and other clothing items, but it pivoted to the electric vehicle space through the combination of Cenntro Electric Group with the merger Hong Kong-based companies Cenntro Enterprise Limited, CEL, and Trendway Capital Limited made an arrangement with a China Leader Group to lock up their holdings in Cenntro Electric. Parties agreed not to sell their shares until 180 days after the combinations completed, which occurred at the end of December. And the China Leader Group Limited owned roughly 92.46 million shares, accounting for roughly 36% of the company's outstanding share count. Naked Brands previously attracted attention as the meme stock and potential short squeeze candidate. So that's kind of how I first got into it, and kind of wish I would have stayed away from it now, but it's going down, so might have to buy some more and lower my cost basis. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. Midday meme stock report for 113, Bed Bath & Beyond, BTCS, Cenntro, and more. Dow Jones Industrial Average were hanging on to the slimmest of gains, while the S&P and the NASDAQ both traded lower in the noon hour Thursday. Utilities and industrials were the sector leaders, while tech and consumer cyclicals and healthcare, both down, were the laggards. Crude oil increased slightly to around $82.40 a barrel in the noon hour, while Bitcoin dropped back below 43,000. Yields were down on both 10-year treasuries to 1.72% and 2-year notes to 0.99%. Losers far outnumbered winners on the meme stock watch list. Cenntro Electric, or Naked Brand, had dropped more than 20% on no news. The lingerie seller turned automaker has dropped 67% in the past 30 days. And the shares posted a new 52-week low earlier in the morning. Vinco Ventures, BBIG, which I've talked about them once or twice, traded up nearly 40% in the noon hours on rumors of the company's Cryptide spinoff is about to launch. So good job for them, up 40%. Bed Bath & Beyond, which I got rid of a long time ago, gained about 17.5%, probably on Thursday's buy the dip action. Virgin Galactic, I just talked about them yesterday. SPCE traded down more than 16% in the noon hour Thursday after announcing late Wednesday that the company will issue $425 million in new convertible debt. BTCS has added to its pre-market gain and about 30% to trade, up nearly 50% in the noon hour Thursday. We had what details there are about the company in our morning report. Shares of Vinco Ventures traded up about 38% to $324 as the noon hour drew to a close on Thursday. The average daily trading volume is around 23 million shares, and more than 50 million shares had traded thus far on the day. Bed Bath Beyond stock traded up nearly 20% to 1569 and a 52-week range of 1251 to 5390. Average daily trading volume is 9.6 million shares. Cenntro shares traded down about 22% at 269 and a 52-week range of $260 to $51. And Virgin Galactic was down about 17%. 1029 and a 52-week range of 1010 to 6280. So all kinds of stocks all over the place there for a while, but nothing here on Reddit. Over here on StockTwits, currently at $2.78. Who shorts an EV company with projected revenue 2022 to $506 million at current market cap with $800 million? You should get your head checked. Next pump will be used at Car Expo, where Cenntro reports big sales on their coffee buggy stand. Very interesting looking vehicles. Scam. I've seen a couple people commenting on this one as it's a scam. Anyone have access to a short shares interest? Soon read again. Averaging down and down. Over here on MSN Money, no ratings, and no ratings on TipRank, so might get some ratings on this one at a later time, and nothing here on Robinhood either, so that's all I have on Cenntro Electric Group Limited, ticker CENN. Used to be a Naked brand, and if you haven't any more information on this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you'd like to share. And if you've been buying this one, that would be interesting to know as well. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is Jay Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.